Stop! Don't paint your house yet. Most people waste thousands because they make small painting mistakes. Let's fix that today. And in this video, I'll share the 10 biggest painting mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. This will save you money, time, and stress. Never paint on damp walls. If there's leakage or moisture, paint will peel off within months. First, fix the leak, let the wall dry fully, then paint. Painting directly on a dirty or cracked wall is like putting makeup on without washing your face. Clean the wall, sand it smooth, and fill all cracks before painting. Primer is the base coat that holds everything together. Without primer, paint doesn't stick properly and fades quickly. Always apply primer before paint. Every room needs the right paint. Kitchens and bathrooms need moisture-proof paint. Living rooms and bedrooms look better with washable paint. Choose paint as per the room. Colors on a shade card and on your wall look very different. Always test a 2x2 foot patch on your wall before finalizing. Rainy or humid season is the worst time to paint. Paint won't dry well and will peel. Best time to paint? Dry season. Too much water makes paint weak. Too thick leaves brush marks. Just follow the instructions on the paint can. Nothing more, nothing less. Cheap tools spoil the finish and leave lines. Good quality tools give you a smooth, professional look. Invest once, use many times. Paint stains on sofa or flooring are a nightmare to clean. Always cover furniture, floors, and switches with plastic sheets or newspaper before painting. The costliest mistake is rushing. Paint needs time to dry between coats. Wait at least 4 to 6 hours before applying the next coat. Patience gives long-lasting results. So remember, dry walls, proper prep, primer, right paint, right timing, and patience. Follow these steps and your walls will look beautiful for years.